Hello. My name is Tom Seagull. And my first question for everybody this evening is, does anyone else need the toilet? Because I do. It's a little bit too late now. It's so tempting because it's right there. Like, I can see it, and how many do you think it is? Like 12 steps? It's only 8. But no time for that. Second question. Microphones. They sound nice? Or do you prefer to hear me with my normal voice? Okay. Third question. Are we having a nice evening? Good. Because that ends here. You see, I'm here today to talk to you about something very important. I'd like you to guess what it is. Oh, you weren't supposed to see the picture, you were meant to guess what it was. It's seagulls. I'm talking about seagulls. And you may be wondering, why? Why am I talking about seagulls? Well, to do that, I'm going to need to take you back. Back where? To the 21st of April, 2011. I'm a kid. I've got my rucksack on. I'm here with my friend George. We like to walk into town like this. And we lived by the seaside. Waves. Ice cream. Chips. Old people. And I lived about a 30-minute walk away from the seaside back then. So it was a fair walk for these little 11-year-old legs. And we were really looking forward to it. We had a lot of good plans. We were going to get ice cream. Nice. We were going to go and skim stones on the beach. Fun. But we had one thing we wanted to do more than anything else. And that was to play mini golf. Mini golf is fun. So we get to the gate of the mini golf place. Open the gate. About to take a step. It happened a lot faster than this. Open the gate, step through, bang! What the fuck? It was a seagull. It shat on my shoulder. And honestly, it did hit that hard. The height, I don't know, like, velocity. And it really hurt. So I was smelly, sticky, hurt. It was my golfing arm. Had to go home. sad day. And it didn't stop there. One time, fair enough. Has to happen to someone. 2 times. 3 times. And so on. And so that is why I'm here today. Because I've had enough. And because I want to reach a wing out to the seagulls. I want to make peace. It's Valentine's Day next week. I'm looking to turn hatred to love. And I need your help today. So before I go and do that, I need you guys to kind of like, you know, help me practice. So can you guys be my seagulls tonight? Yeah. Excellent. Just for a bit of reference, I've brought one with me. It's not real. It's kind of like a little model. I received it in the post from my dad. Didn't ask for it. So you all know who you need to get in character as today. Excellent. So I'll just leave that with you. You embody everyone. Okay, so I'm going to rock up to the beach on Valentine's Day. Hiya. I know I've got a bit of a bad past, but just wanted to say hi. I come in peace. There's a bit of a peace offering. I've brought some chips. Thought maybe we could share them. They used to be frozen. They've thawed in my pocket. And I thought, you know, just to get myself in the mood to hang out with you guys, I'd yeah, I'm one of the gang. Too far? Oh, fine. And you know, I got a little bit worried about coming here today, so I have brought a little bit of emotional support with me. I brought a big rabbit. Now, not only is this rabbit going to support me emotionally, it's also going to protect me because it's very heavy. So, tell you what, you can sit over here, be the judge and jump in if anything bad happens, alright? Okay. So the reason I wanted to speak to you all today, seagulls, well, you know about the shitting, but it didn't stop there, did it? You nicked things. Chips. Ice cream. That's about it. But I didn't like it, so it had to stop. And I think that school and education is really important. So why did you disrupt mine? As a kid, I'd be running around the playground, having a fantastic time. You'd all be watching on the roof, waiting. The bell goes. The kids start going back into class. Stragglers remain. That's when you strike. You're down on me. You're down on those stragglers. We're just trying to get to class. Just a little bit later than everyone else. Just let us be. And then you had to use these, didn't you? Your little seagull legs. I was there. It wasn't even the end of lunch. It was mid-lunch. I had every right to be there. sudden, you picked up an orange with your flimsy little... What are they called? They're not paws. Claws. Yeah. And you dropped it. I didn't appreciate that. Orange juice all down my head. Had to go to English sticky. Who wants to go to English sticky? Not me. And finally, a French GCSE exam. Parlez-vous français? Well, I don't. It was a listening exam. We were in the class. The CD was on, but I couldn't hear it. Because all I could hear was you. Tappity tap tap tap, caca, caca, caca. The teacher had to stop the CD and shoo them away, which, by the way, is illegal. So I hope that this has kind of summed up what I want you to stop and how I'm feeling about it. And I thought, you know, seeing as this is a new writing night, I'd write something new. In fact, it doesn't get any newer than this. So here's a little poem. Caca, caca, caca. The war cry rings from afar. Caca, caca, caca. I'm scared. And emotionally scarred. Caca, 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 please don't shit on me, don't drop an orange on my head, don't steal my chips, caca, 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 I didn't do anything to deserve this, I'm just out here living my life, caca, 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 please, please, please leave me alone. Caca, caca, caca. This poem is subpar. So, I've said my piece, Seagulls. What do you guys think? Are you going to be kind to me now? Thank you. Why don't we, sing a little song together, eh? Try to see it my way. Do we have to keep on talking till I can't go on? Well, I see it your way. Run the risk of knowing that our love may soon be gone. We can work it out. We can work it out. We can work it out. I'm a creep and you're a seagull. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I trusted you.